what's up guys? This is a quick video to give you an update as to what is happening with the UK registration of Trading 212. Basically, I did a video a couple of days ago where I talked about the announcement where Trading 212 had opened the registrations for EU registrations, and I'll add a link of it there. But basically, the account opening for Trading 212 users on the UK platform has now opened. The reason for the delay between the EU and UK registration was that Brexit had caused an impact to Trading 212's operations, and what that meant was they had to create two separate trading arms, one which was registered with the Cypriot arm or the Cyprus regulator and is based in Cyprus, and then the second one which is regulated by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority. And as a result, due to the separation, they had stopped the onboarding of accounts, from at least what I could tell on the announcement. Now that they have completed that separation post-Brexit, they have opened up the new registration and account opening process for UK registrants. If you do want to sign up for Trading 212, please use the link in the video description below. If you register through that link, then you can get a free share worth up to £200, and I will get a free share as well as part of the full disclosure. I hope this video has helped you out. Very short, kind of trying to get the information out there. If it did, please smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe, and I shall see you in the next video. Goodbye.